Have you ever looked at the world of cryptocurrency and felt completely overwhelmed? Like it's some exclusive club with a secret handshake? You're not alone. So many people want to get involved, explore the potential, but the first step, actually setting up an account on a reputable exchange, can feel like climbing Mount Everest in your pajamas. Today, we're tackling that first step head-on. We're going to demystify the process and walk you through exactly how to open a Kraken account, one of the most popular and respected platforms out there. Now, before we dive in, let's touch on why Kraken. In the crowded landscape of crypto exchanges, Kraken stands out for a few key reasons. They've been around for a long time, building a reputation for security and reliability. That's crucial when you're dealing with your hard-earned money. They also offer a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from the big players like Bitcoin and Ethereum to some promising smaller projects. Plus, they have a tiered system of accounts, catering to everyone from beginners just dipping their toes into experienced traders handling large volumes. So, are you ready to ditch the confusion and finally join the crypto conversation? Great! Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Kraken website. Don't worry, I'll put a link in the description below so you can easily find it. Make sure you're on the official Kraken site. There are scammers out there who try to mimic legitimate platforms, so double-checking the URL is super important. Once you're on the Kraken homepage, look for the Create Account button. It's usually pretty prominent. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the registration page. Now, here's where you'll start filling in your information. Kraken will ask for your email address, a username, and a strong password. I cannot stress enough how important a strong password is. Think of it as the lock on your crypto vault. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't reuse passwords you've used for other accounts. A password manager can be a really helpful tool for generating and storing secure passwords. After you've entered your information, Kraken will likely send you a verification email. This is a security measure to make sure it's really you trying to create the account. Go to your email inbox, find the message from Kraken, and click on the verification link. This will confirm your email address and move you to the next step. Now, you'll be asked to provide some personal details. This is a standard procedure for regulated exchanges. They need to know who you are to comply with anti-money laundering and know your customer regulations. This might include your name, date of birth, country of residence, and sometimes even your address. Be prepared to provide accurate information. Honesty is key here. Depending on the level of verification you're aiming for, you might need to provide additional documentation. This could include a copy of your government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license. Again, this is a standard practice and is in place to protect both you and the platform. Kraken has different verification tiers, each with its own limits on deposits and withdrawals. The higher the tier, the more you can do. If you're just starting out, you might be fine with a lower tier initially. You can always upgrade later as your needs change. Once you've submitted your information and any required documents, Kraken will review them. This process can sometimes take a little while, so be patient. They'll usually notify you by email once your account is verified. While you're waiting for verification, it's a good time to explore the Kraken platform. Get familiar with the interface, where you can find different cryptocurrencies, how to view charts, and how to place orders. Kraken has a lot of resources available, including tutorials and FAQs, so take advantage of them. Learning the basics now will save you time and frustration later. Now, let's talk about security. Once your account is verified, enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is absolutely crucial. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Even if someone manages to guess your password, they won't be able to access your account without the second factor, which is usually a code generated by an app on your phone. Google Authenticator or Authy are popular 2FA apps. Setting up 2FA is a simple but incredibly important step in protecting your funds. After your account is verified and 2FA is enabled, you're ready to start trading. You'll need to deposit some funds into your Kraken account. Kraken offers various deposit methods, including bank transfers and sometimes even cryptocurrency deposits. The available methods and processing times can vary depending on your location. Be sure to check the Kraken website for the most up-to-date information on deposit options and any associated fees. Once your funds have cleared, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Kraken's trading interface might seem a bit intimidating at first, but don't worry. There are different order types you can use, like market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. Take some time to understand how these work before you start placing large trades. It's always a good idea to start small and get comfortable with the platform before risking a significant amount of money. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency carries risk. The market can be very volatile, meaning prices can fluctuate dramatically in a short period of time. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research, understand the projects you're investing in, and don't rely solely on the advice of others. So, there you have it. A step-by-step guide to opening a Kraken account. It might seem like a lot of steps, but once you get started, it's a pretty straightforward process. The most important thing is to take your time, be patient, and prioritize security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.